Breaking out of your comfort zone is a pathway to growth. This is the mantra for local designer Sanaila Nahuto, who says COVID-19 has made him realize the full potential of his skills. Nahuto was a hotelier in the Cook Islands for 7 years, but is now back home running a fabric designing business. Josaina Nunga with Nahuto's success story.
Sanaila Nahuto learned this artwork during his days in the Cook Islands.
I pick up these artworks so I can put some ideas in order to feed my families and friends back at home.
Originally from Samoa Nadrunga, he was unable to return to the Cook Islands last year after celebrating Christmas with family due to border restrictions. He initially tried his hands at catering, but chose fabric designing to sustain him and his family.
I was thinking that plenty of families and friends are already taking part in this industry. So I was thinking, well, why don't I pick up these material works or hand printed so I can try to sell so I can get some money out of it.
Nahuto targeted customers within the Nadrunga Nawosa province, but soon enough, requests started coming in from different parts of Fiji and even overseas.
It's going, the demand is really good, and what I can say, 80% actually for business workers, usually specified on Pacific travelers for meeting. I think that's where they got their taste of this printing product. Yeah.
The 35-year-old believes his product is successful because every piece is unique.
The secret about this Nahuto product is that I do hand print, board printing, which is applying of pressure to the fabric, and majority of my customers have witnessed that the fade has not been coming out as soon as they wear, like first time wearing, yeah.
His only challenge is meeting customers' turnaround time requests. However, he is thankful that the Samoa community supports his business.
I utilize community where families and friends do come and also give hands, and also church youth members do come and also give hands in cover all my orders.
Nahuto plans to diversify his fabric designing business in the near future. Josaina Nunga, FBC News.